Let's talk about some of the different types of collisions and emergency situations. Head-on collision, front of vehicle with stationary object, driving off-road, rollover, broadside collisions, rear-end collision, sideswipe collision. Collisions are no joke. They could have devastating consequences. By knowing what could happen, you're better prepared to avoid these kinds of collisions. Vehicles are heavy things. Don't tell them I said that. They're sensitive about that kind of stuff. Because of their size, vehicles tend to gather a lot of momentum very quickly. Believe it or not, an 18-wheeler traveling at 2 miles an hour has the same momentum as an SUV traveling at 40 miles per hour. This momentum comes into play whenever you brake and in the event of a collision. During a collision, this momentum is stopped abruptly, causing a massive release of energy. This release of energy is the force of impact. The bigger the vehicle and the faster it's traveling, the bigger the force of impact. Whether you know it or not, this is the moment when the design of your vehicle is working its hardest. Crumple zones are all around your car and help all of that force from reaching the passengers of the vehicle. Although the crumple zones help out, it is still very important to wear your seatbelt properly every time. Accidents can be some of the scariest and most stressful events you'll experience while behind the wheel. Just remember these steps, and you can remain reasonably calm and collected during an accident. Check for injured people and call 911. While you are waiting for help to arrive, provide aid to anyone who is injured. Control the scene and ensure you are visible to oncoming vehicles by turning on your hazard lights. Have the police file a report of the accident as you will need it for your insurance company. Although it sounds strange, it's best to keep from admitting responsibility to anyone but the police or your insurance claim agent. Try to keep calm and realize that this is a traumatic experience for everyone involved.